Hey, if you're looking for maintenance-free living in Cane Bay, we got a winner today. Not a ton of townhouses in Cane Bay. They go pretty quickly, and we've got a nice one today.
Yeah, this one just built in 2020, so it's pretty new.
Yep.
A lot of good stuff in it. Great amenities in this area. This one has 3 bedrooms. It's 1,473 square feet. All the bedrooms are upstairs. Really nice little HOA space in the back. You've got plenty of extra parking, not only across the street, but in the driveway too.
Big deal for townhouses. Not all of them have a double wide, so you could put 4 cars in here, 1 in the garage, and then right across the street, there's probably, well, 10, 15 spots over there to have guests come over. So that's a big deal when it comes to townhouses. The other big deal about this one is, at least as of today, and this can change every now and then,
yes.
not often, but this goes to Cane Bay School. So a lot of people are looking for that when you move into Cane Bay to be able to send the kiddos up to the Cane Bay schools.
Yeah, not all neighborhoods go to Cane Bay schools. Some of them go all the way up to Monk's Corner. The other thing I like about this townhouse is it's by the back entrance, so you can easily sneak out of Cane Bay within 4 minutes, 3 minutes probably, and you're out on Black Tom Road, and you can either go up to Monk's Corner or back down to 176 as well.
All the stuff here in Cane Bay, if you're not familiar, there's golf cart paths that run the entire neighborhood. So you can get from here out to all the restaurants, all the grocery stores, everything, doctors, dentists. That's all you need to know. You got Chick-fil-A. What else do you... Chick-fil-A and barbecue right across the street. Let's go inside, check this thing out. We'll see you in a minute. So as you can see, great move-in ready townhouse. I want to talk a little bit about 2 things. Number one is all the amenities that are in this neighborhood, but first, the HOA fees. Because listen, in this Charleston market, we can often see there's an HOA fee and then a regime fee. Here's the way to picture this. HOA is for the whole neighborhood. That's the swimming pool, all the stuff Mark's going to get into. But then the regime fee is on this section of townhouses, and that on this one is actually really low compared to what we've seen.
Yeah, some of them are up to $300, $400, $500 a month. This one is only $96 a month for the regime fee, plus your HOA fee is like $270 a quarter or something like that.
Yeah, so about $1,000 a year,
about $1,000
which is what we see in every neighborhood in Cane Bay. And then just the $95 a month here in this one, that covers the grass cutting and some other
roof stuff, and that kind of thing for sure. Now the amenities here are amazing. So you've got a resort style pool. There's an indoor building over there that people set up for pickleball sometimes. I've seen events in there. You've got bocce over there. You've got a fire pit over there and a boat landing to take like a little canoe or kayak around on one of the ponds and stuff like that. So really great townhome here. If you want to see more, let us know. What's the best way to do that, Jeff?
drop down in the comments on this, in the description, in
Yes.
the comments.
Description.
The description. I get that wrong every single time. There's a link. You could book a meeting with us by Zoom call or schedule time to come see this house. Reach out to us. We'd love to show it to you or anything else in the Charleston market.
See ya.